How to use Navionics charts on KP series. Connect the device to power. Insert the Navionics chart card. Turn on the device. Press the to continue. Press the menu key. Find map choice. Switch it to Navionics. Press the key to the chart page. Move the cursor to the chart area. The Navionics chart is now displayed. Thank you for your watching. ONWA Marine, reliable marine electronics solutions for safer and smarter navigation.